Good morning, students. So today in the how are you all? In the last class we have studied about heat and temperature. What we have studied about heat and temperature. What is a heat? What is a heat? Heat means the hotness. Heat means generally the hotness. Next we studied about the temperature. What we have studied about? Temperature. What is a temperature? What we have learned? Temperature is somewhat that indicates the hotness or coldness of a body. What is the temperature? Temperature is somewhat that indicates hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature indicates the hotness or coldness of a body. Then we also learned what is a thermometer or how can we measure temperature. So we can measure temperature with the help of thermometer. With the help of thermometer. What is a thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature. What is a thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a body. And how it works? It works on the basis of expansion of liquid. It works on the basis of expansion in liquid. Then we also saw two scales in the thermometer, that is two units. One was Celsius and another was Fahrenheit. One was Celsius and another was Fahrenheit. Now we will today one by one look at each of this unit. Today one by one we will look at each of this unit. So first of all we will learn about Celsius scale. What is a Celsius scale? Today we will learn about the Celsius scale. So my dear student, in a Celsius scale, measurement is taken from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. The measurement is taken from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, means that in this 100 divisions are there. How many divisions? 100 divisions. Celsius thermometer has a starting point of 0 and ending point of 100. That is, it shows that the water freezes. Water become ice at 0 degrees Celsius. When water become ice at 0 degrees Celsius means that the lowest temperature in the Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius. The lowest temperature in the Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius. And what is the highest temperature in the Celsius scale? The highest temperature in the Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius. This 100 degrees Celsius shows that water starts boiling at the 100 degrees Celsius. What does this mean? That the water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and water starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. This is the highest point of the thermometer and this is the lowest point of the thermometer. How many divisions are there in the Celsius scale? There are 100 divisions in the Celsius scale. How many divisions? 100 divisions. That is from 0 degree to 100 degree. Highest temperature in the thermometer is 100 degrees Celsius. Highest temperature in thermometer in Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius and lowest temperature in the Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius. So my dear student, the thermometer which uses Celsius scale for measurement of temperature, the thermometer which uses Celsius scale for measurement of temperature is called a Celsius thermometer. It is called a Celsius thermometer. What it is called? It is called a Celsius thermometer. How many divisions are there? There are 100 divisions in a Celsius thermometer. If we want to draw the diagram, how can we draw the diagram? So starting point will be 0, starting point will be 0 and then 10, 20 until it goes till 100. So in a Celsius thermometer there are 100 division that starts from 0 degree to 100 degree. Again I am repeating, what is the lowest temperature in the Celsius scale? Freezing point of the in the Celsius scale. So 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point in the Celsius scale, and 100 degree Celsius is the highest temperature in the Celsius scale, and this shows that the boiling point of water is the 100 degree Celsius. Okay. After this, we will just see about another scale that is called Fahrenheit scale. That is called a Fahrenheit scale. Another type of scale what we have seen is the Fahrenheit scale. Another type of scale is the Fahrenheit scale. In the scale, the melting point or the freezing point of water starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit. What is the lowest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale, or from where the Fahrenheit scale starts? The Fahrenheit scale starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit. What is the melting point of water in Fahrenheit scale? The melting point of water in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And what is the boiling point of the water in the Fahrenheit scale? So what boiling point of the water in the Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. That is, the water starts freezing at 32 degree Fahrenheit and starts boiling at 212 degree Fahrenheit. This shows that the lowest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the highest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit scale starts from 32 and goes till 212. Now there is question arise, sir, why 32 only? Why it not starts from 0? Actually all the scale starts from 0 itself, but why we use this 32? We use 32 because it is the lowest temperature our body can have. After this the body starts freezing. After that the body starts freezing, and thus the temperature cannot be recorded. That's why we use 32 degree Fahrenheit. We don't use 0 degree Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit scale is a scale which has 180 division. How many division are there in between? There are 180 division. How can we calculate that there are 180 division? You can just subtract 212 from 32. You will get 180. So how many divisions are there? There are 180 divisions. And what is the highest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale? The highest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the lowest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Got this? Okay, next. So till now we have learned about two types of scale, that is two types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer, Celsius thermometer. There are two types of thermometer, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius thermometer uses Celsius scale. Celsius thermometer uses Celsius scale, and Fahrenheit thermometer uses Fahrenheit scale. That is, in Celsius scale, the temperature can be measured from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. In Celsius scale, the temperature can be measured from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, whereas in Fahrenheit scale, the temperature can be measured from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Celsius scale, there are 100 division. There are 100 division. Whereas in Fahrenheit scale, there are 180 division. How many division we can say? There are 180 division in a Fahrenheit scale. So this is the difference between the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. Now, you may ask a question, sir, is there any relation between the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale? As both measure the temperature of a body, there can be some relation also in both. So yes, there is a relation between that. That is, we can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit back into the Celsius. We can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius back again. How can we convert this? So this is called a conversion. This is called a conversion. Now we will look towards the conversion of this. There are questions in your book, so you have to do in the exercise. I'm just giving this conversion. So first we will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. First we will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. What is? So what is the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? So formula is F equals to, F is a unit of measurement. F is a unit, F stands for Fahrenheit, which is a unit of measurement of temperature. F is a unit of measurement of temperature, which means Fahrenheit. So formula is F equals to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is a formula for conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is a formula for conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit. Just how can we do this? Once again, what is the formula for conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit? The formula for conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit is F equals to the given temperature. What is the C? C is the temperature in Celsius. What is the C? C is the temperature in Celsius. C is the temperature in Celsius. Okay. So you can, if you want to note it down this formula, you can note it this formula. You can note this formula. Written. Now what we will do? We will just do a numerical on this. Suppose I want to convert 15 degrees Celsius. I want to convert 15 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So what I will do? I will just put the value in the formula. C equals to 15. C is 15 into 9 by 5 plus 32. What this? This implies 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 into 9 plus 32. This means 3 nines are 27 plus 32. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 7, 9, 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer? 59 degree Fahrenheit. What is the answer? 59 degree Fahrenheit. In this way, we can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. What we have done in this? What was the temperature given? 15. So instead of C, what we wrote? 15. Instead of C, what we wrote? 15. Then we know 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So here it is come 3 into 9 plus 32. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. And 27 plus 32, 59. Answer comes 59 degree Fahrenheit. So this is how we can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. This is how we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is how we can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Now, just opposite of that. Now just we will do this opposite. What we will do in the opposite? We will convert now Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now what we will convert? Fahrenheit to Celsius. What we will convert? Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what is the formula for conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius? So formula for conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius is C equals to 5 by 9 F minus 32. C equals to F5 by 9 into F minus 32. C equals to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. Just we can do any questions on this. Just look the questions from the book. Question is given 95 degree Fahrenheit. What is question given? 95 degree Fahrenheit. Just we will put the value F by 9 into 95 minus 32. So what is the value of 95 minus 32? 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 5 upon 9. Then 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63 and 5 sevens are 35. 7 fives are 35. So what will be the value of it? Will come 35 degree Celsius. What will be the value of it? It will come 35 degree Celsius. So this is called conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius. If you want to note this down, this formula, you can note this formula in your copy. You can note this formula in your copy. And homework I will give to you today. I will give you some homework, so you have to complete this homework also. Got this? Written? Okay. At last I will give you the formula. Now, next. So my dear student, till now what we have completed, we know about temperature. What is the temperature? Temperature indicates the hotness or coldness of a body. What is the temperature? Temperature indicates the hotness or coldness of a body. Next we learnt about thermometer. What is a thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of the body. What is a thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a body. Next. Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of the body. After that, we have learnt about two scales, that is Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. What is a Celsius scale? Celsius scale is a scale in which the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius and freezing point of the water is 0 degrees Celsius. That is, there are 100 divisions in the Celsius scale. Then we learned about the Fahrenheit scale. So in a Fahrenheit scale there are 180 division. The freezing point of the water in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit, and boiling point of the water in Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Then we saw two of the formulas. What were the formulas? From conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. How can we convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius? What is the formula? Just repeat after me. For formula for conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius is F equals to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. F equals to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. And what is the formula for conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius? That is C equals to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. Till this you have completed. Now next our topic is thermometer. Next topic is our thermometer. So what is a thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of the body. Now, is it necessary that only the human body temperature is measured? No. We measure the temperature of our surrounding. We measure the temperature of certain object. We measure the temperature of even the bodies. So there are various types of thermometer used by us. So today just you learn what is a use of the thermometer. So what is the use of the thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of body and even object. Till now we have learned only that thermometer is used to measure the temperature of only the human body or the animals. But there are thermometer which can measure the temperature of the objects and even the surrounding. So about various types of thermometer I will tell you in my next class. Today's your homework is on the page number 84, question number 2nd and 3rd. Page number, homework is page number 84, question number 2nd and 3rd. You have to do this formula. I have told you, you have to just put the value and determine the value, and you have to complete the homework. Okay, next we will meet in the next class, and you have to revise beta. And thus due to COVID-19 classes are not there, but you have to prepare for the exams. Do not cheat free, complete your copy and prepare for the exam, and I want this homework to be completed in your copies. Okay.